Hey guys, welcome back. You can see we got a empty frame here. This is going to be the replacement frame, so we got to do a frame swap on the F350. Got some stuff we got to get taken off of it. The old wiring harness, fuel lines. We've already started stripping some of it. Oh, that's got to come off. Fuel pump, or fuel water separator I should say. Exhaust brackets. And yay, we get to cut bed bolts again. I've already got one cut using the DeWalt. Overall, not a bad frame. Alright, let's get it cleaned up, de-wired, everything off of it, and set you up on a time lapse and enjoy. Guys, back. Got the body cab mounts out. Those was a pain. Getting it stripped. I actually broke my first Harbor Freight tool. It lasted long enough. As you can see, we're getting there, getting it taken apart. Then we'll get it cleaned, sandblasted, and then we'll throw a coat of paint on it. Getting all the bolts ground out, cab bolts. I'm sorry, bed bolts. But, we're getting there. See you back shortly. Alright guys, it's another day here. Getting ready to pressure wash the frame, get it all cleaned up. Got all the electrical connections off. Got to get the bed bolts off here. Knock some of the surface rust off, do a little bit of sanding. Alright, we're going to put you on time lapse and we're going to do a little cleaning. We got her clean. Let's check out the damaged burnt spot. A lot of the burnt stuff came off. Got some rust. We got to sand and prime and seal so we don't rust through anymore. Not bad, not bad. Turned out pretty good. All right, let's get her wiped down, start sanding, and get her ready for a coat of paint. Comment below what color you think I should paint it. I know there's the PF15, I believe it is, that does real well on frames, but kind of want to go something different other than black. I know I've been told black is the best for contrast, but I like being different. All right, guys, appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you when we come back. All right, guys, we're back. Got everything cleaned. Now we're going to clean this up, make it look a little bit better. Got the old handy drill with a drill. I can't talk. Drill with a wire brush on it. We're going to clean it up, and we'll go from there. Set you guys up over here. Got our protection. Got gloves. Got safety glasses. All right, let's see what happens. Not bad. Gonna take a little while, but not bad. Tell you what, let's set you guys up on time lapse. As you can see, looking better. All right, we got her cleaned up. Battery's dying, but we need some primer or rust converter. Actually, we'll probably go get some rust converter. So let's go over to our local auto parts store, pick up some rust converter, come back and spray it so we don't rust anymore. And got a lot of little areas cleaned up as well. Like here where rust spots was. Got those ground down. And guys, let me tell you, We had duct tape on the back of this frame from Harbor Freight. Don't knock Harbor Freight stuff. It's actually pretty good. I had to wire wheel the duct tape off the frame. With that being said, let's go get some paint. All right, let's hop in the old 350. Let's go to the store. Look at that, 352,177 miles. And she runs like a top. There's the truck, guys. It's so pitiful. Hey, one of these days I'll have a shop and I can actually work inside. All right. Reverse we go. Oh, look at that sun. Right there in that car cover is another project. Oh, I better buckle up. Safety. All right, let's look that way. Oh, it's sunny. Let's look that way. And we look that way. And we go. All right, guys, I'll catch you back at the store. All right, let's go in here and get some paint. And we'll be back. Let's go get it put on the frame. All right, guys, we're back. It's getting dark on us, so let's get the paint. All right, right now we're just going to use the Duplicolors rust barrier to get the bare metal primed, then we'll come back and sand it with 320 before we finally paint our last color. Got a little bit of reaction going on here. I don't know if that's from where it was burnt. Not sure, guys. Not sure. Right now I'm just using it to go over parts where I sanded, got this rust off. And I can use this as a sandable material. Like I said, we'll come back with 320. I know y'all really can't see anything, but it'll add a layer of protection. Besides, it looks good. Dull, shiny. Dull, shiny. Alright, fellas, I'm gonna knock this out since it's getting dark, and we'll come back the next day and sand it with 320, scuff it, and then we'll shoot it with the paint. Like I said, be sure to comment below, let me know what you think. And please share, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.